Hi, tech lovers! Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable cassette player worth considering today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Encendado portable cassette player. Let's get started. Product feature: effortlessly convert your cherished cassette tapes directly into MP3 format without needing a computer or any extra software, making digital preservation simple. The device automatically saves your new digital files onto a USB thumb drive, allowing you to easily manage and edit your audio library on your own terms. Use it as a traditional Walkman by listening through the built-in speakers, your favorite headphones, or even connecting it to your car via the AUX jack. Choose between manual and auto recording modes, giving you the flexibility to control the conversion process based on your personal preferences. A built-in playback function allows you to listen to your recorded MP3 files immediately after conversion to ensure the audio quality is exactly how you want it. For the best performance, the player is designed to work seamlessly with USB drives formatted in FAT, FAT32, or exFAT for reliable file storage. To ensure a faithful transfer of your audio, the recording happens in real time while the tape is playing, capturing every note and memory perfectly. Pros: the beauty of this device is how it breathes new life into your silent memories. You don't need to be a tech expert to save your old tapes. It's designed to be simple and heartwarming. The freedom to listen anywhere, from your living room to your car, means those cherished songs and voices are never out of reach. It's a wonderful bridge between your past and your digital future. Cons: while this player is incredibly helpful, keep in mind it isn't compatible with NTFS formatted drives, so you'll want to check your USB settings first. Also, because it records in real time, you'll need to stay patient as the tape plays through to capture everything. Final thoughts: think about those dusty boxes of tapes in your attic. Each one holds a story, a song, or a voice that deserves to be heard again. This player isn't just a gadget, it's a way to reclaim your history and share it with the next generation. It gives you the confidence to preserve what matters most with ease. Your memories are priceless, and keeping them alive has never felt this rewarding. Give your old tapes the second life they deserve today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful guides. See you next time.